Hey guys, it's Kat and we're back for a very exciting video. Today we are unboxing the iPhone 13 in green and the iPhone 13 Pro Max in Alpine Green. If you follow me on TikTok at Catamogs, you know that I've been very excited about these green iPhones. So without further ado, let's get to it. I hope you guys love the green and Alpine Green as much as I did. I cannot wait to start using the Alpine Green every single day. Love the color. If you guys want to see more tips and tricks, reviews, and my daily life, make sure to follow me on Instagram at Creative and TikTok at Catamogs. Bye!